Here we can go forward with looping techniques on the dictionaries. So actually, if we want to loop on this dictionary, we will do it with the key value in the dict.items. So we have to specify that's the items, because if we say just nights without items, it's just the keys, like we have seen here. Just thinks about they think about dictionaries in terms of keys. So here we can have it. We print the key and the value. Key value, key value, key value, key value. We can also do this way here. This enumerate function, which is a very useful function of Python, it gives us a dictionary out of a list. For example, let's say you have a list. You have a list, and this list is it's just a normal list, and you want actually to have this index and the value. So you do this enumerate, and it gives you kind of this format of key value. So key value, key value, key value, and the key of those, it's actually I. Forward would be to have to come back to this zip function. Maybe we understand this better here. Is that here it will combine these two and these two and these two together. It will combine them together, and for each one that is combined together, we'll check the first one and second one. So it will be name, non-slot, quest, this. So what is your name? It is non-slot. Format QA, this way. So zip function can also like return this kind of key value elements, and we use it with this format function, where we insert. We will see more about format functions and outputs in the next chapters as well. And it just plugs this Q in here and A in here. And we have name, quest, favorite, and Lancelot, Holy Grail, blue. Here we can reverse. There are some functions here on looping. You can reverse this range, for example, and print it. With reverse, we have sorted and reversed functions. Here we have sorted, for example, and we have baskets, and we will sort them alphabetically and print them. We also have sorted offset. We can like remove the duplicates, so we can combine multiple functions, and it comes really handy. That's why it's pretty concise to write in Python, since you can combine a lot. And here we can do something even more advanced, and especially sometimes you have some complicated data. It's always better to filter the data first, and later on use your data for whatever reason you want to use it. And here you can filter in the data and for value in raw data. If not math.isNone of value, this is what is math is none, and filter data.append. So we add the data, we add the value in the filtered data, and we return the filtered data. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe, and see you for the next one. See you.